How to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now head over to the settings icon given at the top right. Once you're on this page, different sections will appear. Scroll down. Navigate to the section Your Activity. Under that, you'll find the option of Activity Log. Click on it. Now head over to the option Your Facebook Activity. Click on the option of Post. Click on that drop down and select the option Your Posts, Photos and Videos. With that, you're gonna find the list of all of your posts. Check in for the option of All. Now click on three dots given at the bottom right. Select the option of Recycle Bin. These posts will not appear on your profile anymore. If you want to manage posts that you have shared in other places, such as groups, you can review those separately in Activity Log. Click on Move to Trash. And with that, all the selected posts will be deleted from your Facebook account. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you were able to delete all posts on Facebook at once. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.